Proper hydration is important for maintaining circulation, regulating the temperature of your body, and lubrication of joints. As you sweat during a run, your body loses fluids. Dehydration occurs when body loses excessive amounts of fluids to the extent that it is unable to carry out its normal functions and becomes overheated. It negatively impacts athletic performance and increases your perception of effort. It can cause gastrointestinal problems, heat exhaustion, hallucination, heat stroke. Symptoms of dehydration include dark urine, small volume of urine, elevated heart rate, and headache. The symptoms of dehydration may not be obvious until it becomes severe. So the thumb rule is don't wait till you're thirsty. Intense focus on your run during a race can mask the thirst sensation. So it's advisable to have predetermined hydration strategy where you drink set amounts of fluid at predetermined time intervals during the run. As a good example, at least 1 hour before run, drink 400 ml of fluids. 15 minutes before the run, drink 200 ml. During the run, drink 400 to 500 ml per hour. After your run, drink until your urine turns pale. Fine-tune this strategy to your individual requirements based on your observations during training sessions. An individualized hydration plan for different seasons will make sure that you consume enough fluid to minimize loss of body weight without overhydrating. Determining your sweat rate during different seasons is very helpful in drawing up such a strategy. Weigh immediately before and after a run in order to determine the average sweat rate. The calculation for sweat rate is your pre-run weight minus post-run weight plus fluid intake during the run divided by the duration of the run. Fluid choices depend on length of races. For length of races less than 60 minutes, drink water. When your racing lasts more than 60 minutes, it's advisable to ingest water and carbohydrates to maintain blood glucose levels. Sports drinks are often the easiest way to get carbohydrates during exercise. If you use energy gels, you need some fluid so that the sugar can get absorbed into your blood quickly. The only thing you will accomplish by drinking excessively before a race is to increase the number of bathroom trips you need to make before and during the race. Human bodies have limited capacity to store extra fluid. Any fluid you take in beyond the amount that is required to attain normal hydration, which is also known as euhydration, will go straight to your bladder. Unless you have allowed yourself to become severely dehydrated over the course of the day before your race, you can consume around 400 ml between the time you wake up and 1 hour before the start of your race to be well hydrated. If you urinate at least once before your initial visit to the bathroom, upon waking up, you're all set.